Hello, girls. So today I want to do a spring look, but at the same time, it's gonna help bring out the green eyes. So what I like to do first is conceal my eyelids, and then I'll set it with white eyeshadow. And then the first eyeshadow I'm going to be taking is from the 3502 palette. Girl, you need this palette in your life. And I'm going to take that color there and I'm just going to place it in the crease. And I'm just going to blend it out. I'm just going to use like three eyeshadows in this look. So it's pretty simple. And as I'm blending it out, I'm also going to shape it into a V on the outer corner. That way we have that almond shape. And for the second color, I'm going to use the deeper one that's right next to it. And I'm just going to pack this on the corners and I'm just going to keep building the color up. So, because I like to blend eyeshadow all the way up to my forehead and that's not cute, to fix it, all I'm doing is blending white eyeshadow on my brow bone. I also go back and forth with this clean brush and packing on the color. That way it stays well blended. Now you can leave this look like this, or you can just add this shimmery color on the lid. I'm just gonna place it in the middle of the lid and then blend the edges. For foundation, I'm gonna be using one of my favorites. It's the Pro Glow LA Girl, wait, no, the fuck. LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wearing Illuminating Foundation, and I love this foundation, bomb. And for concealer, I'm gonna be using this new one that I got from Walmart. It's the Koki concealer and I like it. I think it's like a good everyday concealer. It's lightweight and it covers my dark circles. I feel like almost every concealer creases, like it's bound to happen, so I really don't mind. It's whatever. And for baking, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline loose powder in Fair Lights. And for the rest of my face to lightly set, I'm gonna use the LA Girl high definition powder. And you don't need to set this foundation, but I need to just to make sure it stays just lightly. And to brighten underneath my eyes, I will be using the LA Girl concealer in yellow, just to give my eyes a little bit of, brightness. Gotta conceal in dark circles, girl. To contour, I'm just going to use the Too Faced chocolate bronzer, and I'm also going to use the NYX palette. I'm just going to mix 3 shades together because one isn't enough. The next scene you're about to see, I did not notice that my camera was not in focus, so I apologize in advance. So I want to tell you that I like this e.l.f. brush because it's really small and precise, so it doesn't take up my whole cheek and it doesn't allow me to mess up and go down here and then have to bake and clean it up, you know what I mean? Especially like when you're in a hurry or something. So it's much easier if you find like a brush like this, and it's super fluffy, so it helps blend your contour. And circular motions always helps to blend anything better. And you give this, and you always want to start from back here, not all the way up here or drag it too far up here. But if you want to, it's okay. It's just gonna cut it too much and make you look like this, you know? And the point is to make it look more natural. And then whatever you have left, you can just blend it up to your hair. For blush, I'm gonna use the Burt's Bees in Bare Peach, and same brush. Again, start from back here, and don't do it where you put the contour, which was right here. You want to go just a tad bit up instead of right here. You'll go up here, blend it down like that. And then the rest that you have, just blend right here in the front. You can't even see it, bitch. So I'm gonna do the lower lash line, and I'm gonna keep my bake that way in case there's any fallout, it's there. So this time I'm gonna put an orange first. I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line just like with the orange color, and I'm probably gonna use this one, and a little bit of this. Dirty, don't mind that. I'm gonna use this brow pencil and the two colors, and I'm just gonna line these two colors on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna line it. I'm not gonna smudge it out or blend it out. A little bit, but not that much. That way you can tell there are two colors there, if that makes sense. I just want to show you the difference between this eye and this eye. So I just kind of packed it on there, and then the orange is blended, of course, so you can tell there are two colors, and it really brightens your eye and makes it look wider and more almond shape. And don't connect it up, just where the lower lash line stops, just stop right there too. And don't go all the way forward, just stop like right there. Now I'm just gonna do a winged eyeliner. For my wing, I used my Dollar Tree eyeliner. It's like a liquid eyeliner. Now, this is really important because this white pencil is really gonna brighten that eye and really gonna make your green eyes like pop, or any colored eye. So like a white or nude pencil would do. This is the next one. I just want to show you the difference. This is the one I put the white pencil on, and this one I didn't. So it really brightens the eye. We are complete. I just have to set my brows. So that completes the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. I forgot to do this. I'm gonna use this shimmery color to brighten the inner corner.